everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete cache files in CapCut. Clearing cache helps free up storage space and resolve minor bugs in the app. Let's get started. Open CapCut on your device. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, you'll find options to manage and delete cache files. You can also enable Auto Delete Cache to automatically clear cache files at set intervals, like every 15, 30, 60, or 90 days. This prevents your cache from filling up without you having to manually clear it. To manually delete cache files, tap the trash bin icon. This will remove all cache files stored on your device. You can also check the total size of your cache files in the Settings menu. This helps you keep track of how much space your cache is using. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.